Welcome back to the Dev channel. So this week I was talking with a colleague who had recently experienced a organization that found out that their staff were using a LLM of some shape or form, and it obviously copied some company data into this LLM to ask it some questions. But yeah, the response that organization had was very negative. It was an instant sort of shutdown. It was everyone was banned from using any sort of AI, and my personal viewpoint is that's very sad. It's a new technology that is going to drive the world, not just sort of a industry, it's the world. All industries are going to be affected by some sort of LLM style AI service. And I guess the question that I have, Harvey, is what's your take on this?
As you touched on it, right? LLMs, generative AI has been very disruptive, and it will continue to be very disruptive. So I think it's important for companies to make the decision if they're going to use AI or not. And in my personal opinion, not using it and burying their head in the sand would probably be quite a daft move. Obviously, seeing the tooling use day to day by individuals, improving outputs for better or worse, but also the agentic workflows that could really streamline, automate, and even level up businesses. So I think businesses that are not prepared to adapt and use these are probably going to be left behind.
So that's quite a strong message that you're saying there is don't be left behind. So what would you tell this particular company right now? It was like, what should their next steps really be?
Well, I completely agree that the realm of shadow IT and throwing data left, right, and centre at all these companies that haven't been validated or their policies inspected, that is a daft move. However, striking it off, not great. Now is probably the time to backpedal a little bit, get the frameworks in place, get the policies in place, maybe even set up a team and really organize the way to get AI integrated within the company, and how your employees that actually clearly want to use it to level up their work and how they can use it correctly, adhering to data privacy and data residency.
Cool. So, clear instructions there really is set up a team, set up an initiative within the business and move forward in a constructive manner and get these tools being used, because there is significant value to the business. Harvey, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.